Ready, start. Legal matter. This is an appeal filed by the accused appellant from judgment and order dated 25th of July 1981, passed by Sessions Judge Mirzapur in Sessions Trial number 263 of 1980, State versus Kailash, convicting the accused under Section 302 IPC and sentencing him to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life thereunder. Full stop. Para 2 dot. Brief facts giving rise to this appeal are that at 6:30 p.m. on 3rd of September 1980, Deep Nath, brother of the deceased, lodged an FIR at police station Pannuganj, district Mirzapur, alleging that in the month of Ashan (July) that very year, he along with his father Lalman and brother Hemnath, taking their cattle, shifted to the jungle of village Chiklik from their village Jai Mohini, that at that very time Kailash, uncle of Deep Nath, taking his cows, came to village Chiklik and leaving his cattle there, he went back to village Jai Mohini for getting paddy crops sown. Full stop. In the month of September, 1980, Balaram, younger brother of Deep Nath, also came to village Chichlik, taking their oxen. Full stop. Hovel of Deep Nath was situated at a considerable distance from that of Kailash, at the outskirts of village Chichlik. Full stop. There was also an embankment of bamboo in the eastern side of the hovel, and Deep Nath used to tether his cattle at that place. Full stop. At about 8 am on 3rd of September 1980, Balaram was standing at the opening of the said code Ghair uncode embankment of bamboo that Kailash, taking his gun, reached there and asked Balram that cattle shock was not distributed between them justifiably, and he would have all the she buffaloes with him. Full stop. Thereon, Balram replied that partition of cattle had already taken place between them, and they would not give any she buffalo to him. Full stop. Immediately, Kailash fired a shot at Balram with his gun, hitting him at his neck and sustained the fatal injury. Balram died on the spot instantaneously. Full stop. The police registered a crime against the accused under Section 302 IPC accordingly and made an entry regarding registration of the crime in the general diary. Full stop. Para 3 dot. S.I. Harnarayan Yadav, to whom investigation of the crime was entrusted, recorded the statement of Deep Nath, the first informant at the police station itself, and then proceeded to the scene of occurrence. Full stop. He took halt at village Nova Sota in the night, as the village Chichilik was situated at a distance of about 23 miles from the police station, and the way to village Chichilik was quite tedious through the jungle, and there were streams, drains, etc. on the way, and there was no conveyance available, as one had to go there either on foot or on bicycle. Full stop. Next morning, on reaching at the scene of occurrence, the investigating officer inspected the site and prepared its site plan Exhibit Code 9. Full stop. He also collected blood-stained earth and simple earth from the site and prepared their recovery memo Exhibit Code 10. Full stop. He also picked up an empty cartridge lying near the dead body and prepared its memo Exhibit Code 11. Full stop. Then he drew inquest proceedings on the dead body of Balram and prepared the inquest report Exhibit Code 12 and other necessary papers exhibits Code 13 to Code 15, and entrusted the dead body in a sealed cover along with necessary papers to constables Ghanshyam Rai and Shiv Mangal to be taken to Robertsganj mortuary for its postmortem. Full stop. He also recorded the statements of the witnesses on 9th of September 1980. Full stop. Subsequently, the investigation of the case was entrusted to Station Officer P. N. Ojha under the orders of the Circle Officer. Full stop. Para 4 dot. Autopsy on the dead body of Balram was conducted by Dr. Ramji Pane, Medical Officer, District Hospital Mirzapur, on 6th of September 1980 at 12:15 noon, as the medical officer at Robertsganj mortuary reported that sweeper was not available there as he was on leave due to illness. Full stop. The autopsy revealed an antemortem firearm wound of entry 2.5 into 2.5 centimeter with margins inverted on right side upper part, base on lateral part of neck just above right middle collarbone. Full stop. Blackening and tattooing was found present and direction obliquely and anterior posteriorly and then towards left. Full stop. On an internal examination, upper lobe on right side and left lobe were found congested and right carotid artery lacerated. Full stop. The doctor recovered 31 small pellets and 3 wadding pieces from back of chest left side. Full stop. The doctor opined that death was caused due to shock and hemorrhage as a result of anti-mortem injury about 3 days ago. Full stop. Para 5. It appears that accused Kailash surrendered in the court along with his gun on 10th of September 1980 and was sent to jail, and his licensed gun was kept in the Sadar Mal Khana. Full stop. Stop.